Oh, there's I got another gate.
Oh, I opened up this one.
Alright, check these. There's like 5 of them. And then right here is a boarded up place. Which, he's kind of dumb, because I can just do this. I don't think I thought about this.
What? Get out of the truck through the window?
No. Oops.
This
Get on
motherfucker.
top of the truck and jump up onto his thing.
Huh? Nice. Hang on. There we go.
That's fucked up.
Is it locked? Oh, there you go. I see chests right. Anything good?
Medicine and this one.
The inside door's locked though.
Yeah, but that means all this shit's up there.
He's got lockpicks though.
Cleaver.
Did you check those, Darvish?
I'm checking them right now.
Okay.
Ooh,
Empty.
Screwdriver.
How do you lockpick? What do we gotta do?
Do you ever play Skyrim?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Literally the same thing, just really quick. Like, I'm not seeing any. Don't even bother. I'm looking through that little hole. There's no fucking chests in there.
How do you use the lockpick though?
Oh, you gotta
with-
have a screwdriver and a lockpick.
Ow, god damn it. Hang on. I want to do this because I haven't done this yet.
You need a screwdriver.
Okay. He's got one up here. Or he did anyway.
This town has a lot of garages.
Nope.
There's one more up here too.
No screwdriver.
Yeah, they're supposedly gonna limit the uses on a screwdriver. It's not gonna be infinite anymore.
Shit, you got in.
Oh yeah, he only had one fucking lock.
Oh, you got it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, bro.
I told you, I'm pretty good at lock picking.
Good.
Don't have shit in here though.
No, it's all upstairs.
This dummy put it in a room with an